Except Razam sibuyile nenye interview edeke phansi iphethe ezinye artist ezibeke phansi wo ajonga inantsiki introduction ngizabethela ngokwazi
hayi emjaristo lona mjaristo abamaziyo la yazi Mr. Trapodlo
Yeah, what up? Unison, Starboy, most known as Meru.
Brazam inantsika abantu lawe abafuna umculo wenu bangawufumana phi?
For sure, like naphi na ku-digital platforms yabo mhlawumbe ngathi Spotify cause umuntu ngokusebenzisa Spotify so bawufuna umculo wethu okanye wami Spotify yabo naphi na ke
Soon, it's about available in all the digital platforms. Yeah, soon. Goes like that. Soon.